I would like to stick my foot up, crank it like that, hold on tight, and carefully swing. And then you can do this, or you could do this. And also, what I like to do is I can do this, like, and I can do this, and I like to mostly do that, and I mostly like to do, and I touch the back trampoline, the purple part, I touch the other purple part, and then I jump and I touch kind of the middle line, and then you would like to touch this, like this, and then you like do that, and then like you can jump, you can do this, or you could hold on and stay here, and sometimes you can do this by balancing, but be careful. And I like jumping like and I like jumping like this too, very high. And this is a part of my trampoline. It's so jumpy, and that's what I most like about it. Bye.